Hello, pure souls. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, I'm just saying, just work for someone specific or someone special. Just work with crown chakra crystal, amethyst crystal with crown chakra symbol. So, if you connect with this symbol or this crystal or pebble, so you can feel the energy. If whenever you see this video, so you can feel it. So if you have, you know very well, I think. So if you can connect with this stone or crystal, so this pebble for you. So if you purchase from anywhere, so you can, otherwise you have, so just work with it, because crown chakra wants to connect with you, or amethyst stone also trying to connect with you. So it's necessary, because grounding is necessary. So there is some messages coming into your way, and they want you have to connect with amethyst, because lots of information maybe you have downloading, you are a downloader, or you are a channeler. So just work with amethyst. Amethyst helps you a lot to clear the all kind of channel things, channel messages. So and you can you have to work with it if you are a channeler. So and root chakra also demands you have to connect with amethyst. There is some message for you specific. So if you work with amethyst, so message will come for you only. So I'm going to pick one card for you. So please take it what it is resonate with you and leave the rest behind. So Temperance is coming. So there is Ardnarishwar. So each and every person has divine masculine and feminine energy. So you have to be balanced, and you have to work with both energies. So I there is Lotus, and there is also Lotus. So there is some big message for you. I don't know this message, whoever this message is, but the thing is, Lotus is significant. So please take it what it is resonate with you and leave the rest behind, and work with Lotus and amethyst. So this is the big message. Maybe your feminine energy going to activate, or because of this you have to work with Lotus or amethyst with crown chakra symbol. This is specific. Your masculine energy needs some balance, needs some help. Because of this, uh, energies wants to, you have to connect with that thing, because there is something for you. There is kind of fiery energy wants to connect with you, and some kind of fire trying to blow your energy, and kind of boom, like things with will be happening with you. There is yellow color, there is green color, there is blue color, there is indigo color, there is rainbow there. So all rainbow color indigo is here, and there is some kind of crown and flower and design also come into your way. If you are designer, so mark my word, you are going to be a great designer in your world, in your area. in this area, designer field, because there is some kind of crown design coming out. So this is the big thing. This is the big thing. Maybe you are the Indian one, maybe you are the Pakistani one, maybe you are someone who designed the crown, who designed the uh, bride dresses or jewelries, Indian bride jewelries, or something specific design is coming. So there is some jewelry design. If you are fashion designer, so this is something, just connect with it, connect with this, connect with Lotus. So I hope I convey the right message, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So there is your energy wants to grow and shine, so they want help from your side to grow and shine and be balanced. This is the 14 number card. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So big change is coming. 1 belongs to individuality, 4 belongs to a strong foundation. So both combination going to change your life. So change is the major ingredient in this world. So always you have to change. So change uh, change is coming, big change is coming. So thank you so much, love and light, and thank you to connect with me. Thank you so much. Thank you.